Last one on the practice quiz, and I love this problem. I love this problem for a couple reasons. One is that you have to start by factoring. And that's something that we haven't done a ton of up until this problem on the practice quiz, but you always want to look for it. So anytime you have even exponents and it's only two terms, you want to think difference of squares. And this is no different than if you had x squared minus 9 and factored x squared minus 9, x minus 3, x plus 3. The thing is that we have to the fourth. So what is 4 divided by 2? Well, it's squared. So we're going to end up with squares instead of just single x's like we did with that x squared minus 9. Very basic example. So cosecant of x to the fourth minus cotangent of x to the fourth is absolutely a difference of squares. So I'm going to break it up. Cosecant to the fourth x, I'm going to break up into cosecant squared, cosecant squared. Cotangent to the fourth, I'm going to break up as cotangent squared and cotangent squared. And I need one plus and one minus. So starting out by factoring there is the key. The other thing is to take a look at what you have on the other side of your equation. We need to keep the positive one. So we're not going to touch that one. We're going to work with the other. So cosecant squared plus cotangent squared is going to stay. We're going to work with that. And you've got some options here. Cosecant squared minus cotangent squared, those are, you can change everything to sines and cosines if you would like. That's definitely not the path of least resistance. What I would like you to do is recognize that those are linked through a Pythagorean identity. And the Pythagorean identity that links those is 1 plus cotangent squared equals cosecant squared. So what I would do is I wouldn't do any movement to this. I would just take 1 plus cotangent squared and put it in for cosecant squared. Again, from that step, from that factoring step, you have different options. So if what I'm doing here in these parentheses is not working for you and you find something else that works, just make sure I take a look at it in class to make sure you haven't done it wrong. Now, cotangent squared minus cotangent squared, those cancel. And just a 1 ends up in these parentheses. Factor, difference of squares. It's huge. You will see that on the semester exam as well as on this unit test. You will also see that pop up on your exit exam for this class. That's how important it is. All right, so make sure you can recognize that situation and deal with it when it occurs. Awesome. That's all I've got. So you are done with the practice.